Okay, now here comes the fun part. You are going to be going to the website that I've put on Canvas. It's called mathagon.org. So you should go to a page like this, and then on the side, you're going to see a bunch of different math. They're like math topics, but you're going to go to the one that says geometry because we're studying geometry right now. That's shapes. So you're going to go to the pink one that says geometry, and it's going to take you to all of these shapes. Now, some of these shapes we haven't really talked about, and some of them we have. We've talked about the triangle, the square, the pentagon, and then over here we have a hexagon and an octagon, and then we have our parallelogram, and we have our rectangle. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be taking these shapes so you can drag them onto your paper, and you're going to be making like new shapes or a figure using the shapes that you have. Okay, so you're going to just let your imagination go wild. Use the shapes and see what you come up with. Can you make new shapes with the other shapes, for example? And then we can erase the ones that we have. So you click on it, delete, click on it, delete. So if I put two of these together, they might make a new shape. Or if I put these two together, can I make a new shape using some of the other shapes? And then you can turn these around. So if you click on the white dot, you can turn them around to go different directions. Okay, so I want to see what you can come up with. Can you make new shapes using old shapes, or just create anything that comes to your mind? Build something with these shapes. Okay, build something with these shapes. And then when you've built something, you're going to take your iPad and you're going to screenshot it. Okay, my iPad is dead, but to screenshot, you press the top button and your side, you can press the top button, no, the side button. Let me double check my toes. Yeah. So you press the top button and the circle at the same time. You click them at the same time to take your screenshot. Okay, so I want you to take a screenshot of everything that you come up with here with your shapes. And then you can also write something about your shapes on here. You can use the tools down here to change the colors. You can use the eraser to erase. You can put in a text box to maybe name your new shape. Maybe you want to name your new shape. So I'm going to move that over here. So maybe I'm going to call this, maybe I can make a rectangle, or I'll call this parallelogram. Okay, so I named my new shape. Name whatever you come up with. You can also write on here. Okay, so I want you to create something with the shapes that you have here. Okay, and every time that you have finished a product, so you've finished something and you're like, I like this is good, I created something, you're going to take a screenshot of it, and that's what you're going to turn into your assignment. Okay? So I want you to create at least, let's say, 3 things. I want you to create at least 3 things. So you're going to turn in 3 screenshots of 3 things that you created on here. Okay? And then when you're all done, you can go and explore the other things that we have on here. You can play with this. They have number lines. Okay, some of these things we haven't used, but you can go and play with them once you're done creating with your shapes. Okay, they have tangrams. You have tiles. Okay. But for now, I want you to stay with these shapes and see what you can create.